There's a lot going on in the world which affects our team and our partners. While continuing to focus on growing our business, we also took these challenges as an opportunity to reflect on what's important for us and how we can better support our partners and customers. This year, we turned reflection into action and are emphasizing our greatest strength. We are dedicated to finding the best repair solution always. While focusing on our mission, we are shaping the future of car repair. We also reflected on what it means to work at Fixico. We are an international and fast-growing tech company. There's a lot that's different about us, but we have the most important things in common. We are bold, we are dedicated, we are one. None of this would be possible without our business and repair partners. It's a tradition to show our appreciation during the holidays with a gift, but as we are in the midst of global economic and societal shifts, we felt like doing something different this year. Instead of making deliveries full of plastic packaging around the world, we want to make a positive impact. On behalf of all our partners, we have donated to Hack Your Future, a coding school for people with refugee backgrounds and limited access to education and the labor market. So in addition to making a donation, we also intend to hire from their graduate pool to help Fixico shape the future of car repair. Happy holidays!